Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be surprising the boys with little boo baskets. I gotta hurry though and show y'all everything that I got them and then put it all together really quick because it's 2:01 and my grandma should be back from picking them up from school and they should be walking through the door by 2:40. I do need to make a run to Rack Room Shoes to get brand shoes. I ordered them for pickup, but I still haven't received an email saying they're ready. So I think I'm just going to print off a little picture and tell him that the shoe's not ready. We got to pick them up later because I don't think I'm making it there and back before 2:40. I might, we'll see. We got brand this Roblox gift card. I put $25 on there. Please don't come at me about Roblox. It's fine. He plays supervised. All of the restrictions are on, and then I constantly check to make sure he's not interacting with strangers or anything like that, and in his messages is turned off, so it's perfectly fine. Got him this Roblox gift card so that he can buy some stuff. He loves these, so he should be super happy about this. I do want to add that everything in their boo baskets is stuff that they needed, necessities. It is a few like fun things in there, but for the most part it's stuff that we were planning on getting them or stuff that they've been needed, and we just kind of waited just so we could put it in their boo baskets to make them feel special. I got Brayden these tan pants here from Walmart. These are 6'7", so hopefully he can fit these. If not, then we'll just go get him another pair. I got brand this mystery lanky box little toy. He really loves these, so I went ahead and picked him up that. Also got him a new book because I'm trying to get rid of all of their old books and get them new books. So we got him this Ninja Turtle Easy Reader Early Reader Step 2 book for him to help with his reading. I got Brayden this 25-piece paintbrush set from Target. I was gonna get Crayola, but the Crayola only came with 3 brushes and they were also $5, so I just went ahead and got this. All of these like little sponge brushes and things I'll probably end up taking out. I also got Brayden this Crayola Color Wonder Mess Free coloring pad thing right here. It comes with the markers and some coloring sheets, and then Bluey because that's his favorite thing. I also got brand this Mr. Beast little lab. I don't really know what it is, but I went ahead and grabbed it from Target because I feel like I see him looking at this one day and he was trying to decide if he wanted to buy it, and then he ended up opting for something else. But I went ahead and picked it up because I think he would like it. I know he likes Mr. Beast. So I got Brand a bag of his favorite Takis, the Blue Heat. I had gotten Brayden his favorite chips as well, but he already ate them. I went ahead and got Brayden some Crayola paint right here. The paint brushes and the stuff. Brayden's stuff is to work on his fine motor skills, so he got a lot of artsy stuff. Brand already has plenty art stuff from Christmas, so I didn't buy him any new art supplies. And then I realized that I didn't pick up Brayden any like fun toys or whatever, and I didn't want him to be looking for that. But we cleaned their room up the other day and found stuff still in packaging, still with tags on it, so I've been like keeping that stuff to use in their treasure box because we're trying to start a reward system with them. But I just went and grabbed 2 things out that I know he didn't even realize was in there because this stuff was bought a while ago. So I pulled out this Bluey stuffed animal. As you can see, it still has the little tag on it, so he's gonna love that. I pulled that out, and then I pulled out these headphones that I picked up from Five Below a few months ago. That's Spider-Man. Literally just took them out the box. They were still in the box, brand new. We also got Brayden these Skechers right here, just an all black pair, so he'll have some shoes to go with everything. And then we also got him some fun pair as well. We just realized because his foot is wider that Skechers is the best fit, so we got him these as well, and they're really super cute. And it has this little button on the side that you can turn the light on with, can turn it off, so like that. We ordered Brand some all black Nikes. I will show you a picture really quick. Just some all black slip-on Nikes. I don't know if it's picking up, but as I already told y'all, I haven't received an email saying that they're ready, so I can't go pick them up yet. Oh, they're just not ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw everything in their baskets, and then I'm gonna run down there and pick that up before 2:30 or 2:40. Also, I'm only gonna put 1 pair of shoes in Brayden's basket, and then we'll just give him the other pair because I don't want Brayden to be wondering why he got 1 pair and Brayden got 2, because Brayden still has shoes that he can wear. Brayden literally outgrew his, so he needed a couple more pair of shoes. But I'm gonna put it together. I gotta try to set y'all up really quick so I can do this, but yeah, let's get to it. Update, I went and got brand shoes from Rack Room Shoes. Didn't beat them back home though. Literally by the time I pull up, they're gonna already be there. I did end up going back into that little bag of goodies that they forgot about and pulled out a Lego set, a Mario one. I just put it in there to basically fill the basket up because I don't want his basket to look skimpy. Brayden's items are bigger, so they fill up a lot more of the basket. and they're 3 and 6, so they don't necessarily understand that concept, nor do they understand the concept of like this amount was spent on your basket, this amount was spent on your basket. So they basically just look at the items. I think they ended up coming out having about the same. I know before I added the extra stuff like the Bluey, the headphones, and then the Lego set and brands, they had exactly the same amount. I want to be able to sit the gift card up on top of something so that he can see that when he first see the basket. This is from me, my grandma, and my grandpa. While I'm sitting at this light, I'm going to try to show you really quick Brand's shoes. So these are his shoes right here. It's just these all black Nike slip-on sneakers. Brand is probably going to see me walk in the house with this bag, and that's fine because he's not even going to realize that the shoes is his, nor that they're shoes. So now I just got to figure out how I'm going to get the baskets back in the kitchen and the camera set up so they can see. I told my grandma to distract them. I just pulled up back at home, so I'm no longer rushing because they're already here. So let's go in the house, finish setting this up, and get their little reaction.
Cubes right now. But wait, let's do it. This time I can actually do it.
Grandma, where these baskets come from?
Wait, hold on. Wait, did the Raja said? Ruby, how many kills did you get?
There's some baskets with some Tashi sitting in here.
I gotta get these guys over here. Oh, this is intense. Take this.
Turn that
down.
What? Is that mine?
Ruby, how many kills did you get?
Is that mine?
Take the face!
What you got, Chubby?
Oh, some
That's paintbrushes. Do those headphones fit?
No.
Charles, put them on your head.
No. Look at this.
Oh my goodness, Chubby. You got Spider-Man headphones.
Oh, wow.
I just got Bluey base.
Brand, is that my gift card? How much money is on there? I think it's 25. Do y'all like y'all baskets?
Yes.
Do y'all tell Grandma and Dad thank y'all?
See,
You got paint, Chubby.
I can't play Bluey with this.
You can?
Uh-huh. Open this. Which one do you want to draw? Bluey.
Y'all really like it?
Do you want to draw Bingo and Bluey?
You like it, Brent?
Yeah. Or you want to draw this one?
Brent, you like it too?
I was going to ask Santa for this. Here's
For what?
For Christmas. Because I didn't know where it was. I forgot it was at Walmart. Blue.
Brand trying on his shoes. He gonna test them to see if they fast running
But you
shoes.
just drawing it all.
Braden is drawing. You like that, Chubby?
I'm drawing this back. Older, you'll know.
But Chubby, you gotta hold the marker right. Look, hold it like this. Chubby, where your other markers? You got other ones. You got blue for Bluey. See, Brand. Let me feel the toes. Oh, that look good on your foot. Oh, and he got a little room. Go run over there in the family room and back. Let's see if they fast. No, I didn't scratch it. Go ahead and run over there.
Well, why is it scratched?
It might have got scratched in the bag. Go run over there real quick. Let's see. Oh, yeah, Grandma. And he can jump in them.
That's great.
Oh, yeah. That one.
Blue.
Yeah, Bluey is blue, Chubby.
Huh?
Let's see. Hold it up and take a picture with it.
That is blue.
That's blue.
Uh-huh. I already know what blue.
Put the top back on your marker if you're not using it, Bray. Good job.
Look at painting this.
Yeah, I gotta get you a apron so you can paint. You said what?
I'll share half of my Robux with you.
Half of your Robux?
Yeah.
Do you like these two things right here? Lanky Box and Mr. Beast. I knew you liked these right here, these mystery squishies, but what about this?
Yeah.
Do you like these? I didn't know if you did.
Do you remember when I tried to get Mr. Beast toys?
When we was in Target?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I told the video. What is this?
I didn't even hear you say it.
I told them when I did the video while you was at school.
I heard.
You okay?
Uh-huh. Brady got that ghost one and another one. And I got this one.
Y'all couldn't see Braden running in his shoes fast. He ain't got no pants on. Braden, stump your feet. Show them lighten up. Braden want to paint. Y'all can hardly see. I'm going to put some of his paint on this plate just so he don't mix all his colors in the little tubes.
Black is my favorite color too.
Black is your favorite color too?
Uh-huh.
So black and red is your favorite color?
Uh-huh. Red and orange because you like Michael. Let's mix this.
No, you don't mix it. You got to paint, okay?
Paint.
B-R-A-E.
You paint B-R-A-E.
D-A-N.
I saw outside the paint.
Okay, you got some? Get a few sheets. The boys about to paint. They're gonna share this plate. If y'all need more paint, Brand, let me know. Brayden might mix it, so if you need your own paint, let me know. Okay, you gonna do Garfield?
And I'm gonna do red.
You gonna do red? Okay, they're gonna paint. Y'all share. Good job, Chubby. Yep, he mixing the paint. Go grab a plate. Let me give you your own paint, cause he mixing. Brayden is dotting. Let me see if I can set y'all up. The boys are painting. Brayden over there, he just getting started. Brayden is doing little dots. That's helping him learn how to hold his pencil. That's why I got him that, to work on them motor skills.
I want more paint.
I'm giving you more paint. You mixed all your paint on your plate. Gotta teach him not to mix his paint.
Ooh.
Ooh, Chubby. Brand said he drawing Garfield. This is Brayden's plate currently.
I'm not gonna really draw it, but people at my school probably be watching the video.
I see you, Chubby.
They might know me, cause I remember I remember Barrett called my name. Yeah, he knew. I think he watched your videos. He knew me now. It's the 45 day. Oh my.
Brayden is working on his circles. Had to give him some more paint because he mixed it all together. It's okay. We're gonna teach him. Brandon's over there working hard. He got his paint.
I'm not even really gonna draw how I usually draw. I got wet.
Alright, I'm gonna let them do this. That's all the paint. No more paint. I took out these sponges because I don't like these. They just seem to absorb all the paint. I'm gonna put these where they can't get them. Just put them on my desk. Here's Brayden's first painting he did. It's drying. Brand drew this the other night. Really cute. He did this by himself, y'all. You watched a YouTube video.
I didn't really even draw it.
Yeah, you did. That's really good.
I didn't draw how you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.